Lesson 5. The Blind Man and the Elephant. Once upon a time, there were 6 blind men. They wanted to learn new things. They would touch and feel things to understand what they were like. Then they would decide on what the new things was like. One day, circus came to town. People spoke about an elephant at the circus. The blind men heard this. They wanted to go to the circus, touch and feel the elephant, and understand what it was like. The next morning, the blind man went to the circus. They asked the circus owner to take them to the elephant. The owner took them to the elephant one by one. The first blind man bumped against the elephant and fell down. Dear children, bumped against means hitting to something and falling down. The blind man hit the elephant and he fell down. While falling down, he touched only one part elephant's side. This is rough and huge. Oh, the elephant is like a wall. Why children? Because while falling down, he touched the only one part of the elephant. So he felt that it was rough and huge like a wall and he started to tell. The second blind man felt the elephant tusk. The tusk is smooth and sharp. The elephant is like a spear. Spear means children, a weapon with a sharp edge. How can a wall be smooth and sharp? He was telling that how could be the elephant will be rough and huge. It is sharp and like a spear. He was explaining to his friend. But his friend was telling, no, elephant was huge and rough like a wall. Afterwards, again he told, no, 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 elephant is like a spear and sharp. The third blind man touched the elephant trunk. Here it is given children, task, you change it as trunk. He told, the tusk feels long and thick. The elephant is like a snake. It could be poisonous. For him, while touching the trunk, he felt it is very smooth. So he told that it is very smooth like a snake. The fourth one, blind man touched the elephant huge leg. Huge leg. He told, this feels like a tree. The elephant is like a tree. For he told, elephant leg is huge and tall. So he told his friends that, no, no, elephant is like a tree. The fifth blind man felt the elephant ear. He told, this is large and thin. You are all wrong. The elephant is like a fan. While touching the ear, it is too smooth and flat. So he thought elephant is like a fan. The last blind man caught the elephant tail. He told, it feels thin and long. The elephant is like a rope. He told, it is thin and long, so it is like a rope. At last, thus each blind man kept saying what he thought the elephant looked like. Each of them said that the others were wrong. They started quarreling among themselves. As a wise man who was passing by saw all that had happened, he came near to them and told, dear friends, all of you are wrong. Your mistake was that you touched only one part of the elephant. You must touch and feel the entire animal before you get an idea of what the animal look like. Means the old man explained them. To feel the entire animal, you have to touch not only one part, you have to touch the whole part of the elephant. Then only you will come to know how the elephant look like. And they also felt what the wise man is telling is correct, and thus saying the wise man helped the blind man feel the animal entirely. By telling this, the wise man explained how the elephant looked like entirely by listening to him, the blind man also understood how could be the elephant is. Thus the story ended in a happy moment, children. Thank you.